Hello! My name is Han. And welcome back to Wood. Will you press the button? Starting off here, you have the power of pride, but you can go higher than 30 feet off the ground, and you have to climb it without my favorite method of traveling. So, I definitely would say woohoo! 72%. You have infinite money, but every time you spend some, a year is taken off your life. No, I wouldn't want minority 34%. You can shapeshift into any form you want, but you have to spend 1 week every month looking like Hitler. Wow, that might be fun, but I wouldn't wanna risk it. Whoa, class minority 25. Will you can read minds, but everyone else can also read yours. No, part of the joy of life is not knowing what other people will do. You win $100 million lottery, but you can only eat spinach and beans for the rest of your life. I wouldn't mind spinach, but beans, no. No. You get free tickets to every upcoming movie, but you can't rewatch a movie you've already seen ever again. No. What the fuck's the joy of that? I have Netflix. I can already. You get a huge mansion for free, but an annoying YouTube star follows you around when you're home and films you. Sure, I'd like that. A day in the life of Sean Awesome. Boring. You can travel anywhere at any time, but your least favorite ex has to come with you every single time. Yeah, I'd just leave her in like Istanbul. Wait, no. In like Iraq or somewhere. You get to have your dream job, but Donald Trump is your boss. No fucking way. You can turn invisible, but you smell like farts all the time, no matter what. No. No! Okay, I guess that's it. Well, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 7 days a week. Some days I'll... No. On August 31st will be my last day of my summer schedule. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. As always, hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.